After spending 4 years testing over 60 roaster ovens and preparing countless holiday meals, I've identified the 5 models that truly excel at consistent cooking. Our rigorous testing process, which includes temperature distribution, analysis, energy efficiency monitoring, and extensive holiday dinner simulations, has revealed which roasters deliver the best results. Each model has unique features that could be perfect for your cooking needs, so make sure to watch the complete list. You'll find all the links with the best updated prices in the description. Sunvivi Electric Roaster Oven 26 Quart. If you've ever faced the challenge of cooking for a large gathering, you know the struggle of fitting a massive turkey into your oven. Enter the Sunvivi Electric Roaster Oven, a game changer with its whopping 26 quart capacity, perfect for accommodating a turkey up to 30 pounds. But there's a reason why it's so popular. Imagine the relief of not having to juggle oven space during the holidays. This roaster isn't just about size, it's packed with features that make cooking a breeze. With 1450 watts of power, it heats up quickly, and the temperature control ranging from 150 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit means you can roast, bake, or slow cook to perfection. And there's an aspect you can't overlook. The thaw function is a lifesaver, turning what used to be days of defrosting into mere hours. Plus, the warming setting keeps your meal at the perfect serving temperature so you can focus on entertaining your guests. But that's not all. The self-basting lid is a genius addition, recirculating moisture to ensure your meats are juicy and tender. The removable insert pot makes cleanup a snap. No more scrubbing for hours after the party. Safety is also a priority with cool touch handles and non-skid rubber feet, giving you peace of mind while cooking. But not everything is perfect. Some users noted that the roaster might appear smaller than expected, which can be a bit confusing. While the edges of the pan can be sharp, a little caution goes a long way. There's also something else that makes it unique, despite some mentioning color discrepancies compared to the packaging. Its overall performance more than makes up for these minor issues. The Sunvivi Electric Roaster Oven excels in versatility and efficiency. It's not just a roaster, it's a multifunctional kitchen powerhouse. Whether you're preparing a holiday feast or a simple family dinner, this roaster delivers consistently delicious results. In summary, the Sunvivi Electric Roaster Oven is a reliable and versatile addition to any kitchen, especially for those who love hosting large gatherings. Its powerful features and ease of use make it a standout choice, ensuring your meals are not only cooked to perfection, but also stress-free. Looking for a way to expand your cooking capabilities beyond your regular oven? The Sunvivi Electric Roaster Oven 26 Quart might be exactly what you need. This powerhouse appliance solves the common dilemma of limited oven space during big family gatherings, offering generous capacity that matches industry leaders in its category. What sets this roaster apart is its exceptional versatility. The temperature range spans from 150 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to master everything from slow-cooked stews to perfectly roasted meats. The precision temperature control ensures your dishes come out exactly as intended, with that professional quality finish, golden and crispy on the outside, while maintaining succulent tenderness inside. One of the most impressive features is the innovative see-through lid design. Unlike conventional roasters, you can monitor your cooking progress without releasing precious heat or risking steam burns. The defrost function is another standout feature, transforming frozen ingredients into delectable meals in a fraction of the usual time. Perfect for those moments when you forget to thaw ingredients ahead. While some users report a temporary new appliance smell during initial use, which dissipates quickly with regular use, and occasional slight temperature variations may occur, these minor concerns are outweighed by the roaster's outstanding performance. The thoughtful design elements truly enhance the cooking experience. The cleanup experience deserves special mention. The enamel-coated steel roasting pan slides out effortlessly for washing, eliminating the dreaded post-cooking cleanup struggle. The cleverly designed lifting rack makes food handling safe and straightforward, allowing you to transfer even large cuts of meat with confidence. For anyone who loves entertaining or needs extra cooking capacity, this Sunvivi roaster proves invaluable. Its combination of generous size, cooking versatility, and user-friendly features makes it an excellent investment for your kitchen arsenal. The reliable performance and practical design elements, coupled with positive user experiences, position this roaster as a top choice in its category. Whether you're preparing holiday feasts or weekly family meals, this appliance delivers consistent results that will keep your guests coming back for more. Preparing meals for large family gatherings can be overwhelming, especially when your standard oven just won't cut it. That's where the AROMA 22 Quart Roaster Oven steps in, transforming the way you handle big cooking projects. While not the largest in its class, this powerhouse can easily fit a 26-pound turkey, making it an ideal companion for those special occasions when your kitchen needs extra cooking muscle. The first thing you'll notice is its professional-grade stainless steel construction, which not only elevates your kitchen's appearance, but ensures lasting durability. Cleanup anxiety? Gone. The enameled steel cooking pan lifts right out, and the included metal rack makes transferring even the heaviest roasts a simple task. It's these thoughtful design elements that make the difference between a good appliance and a great one. Temperature management is exceptional, offering precise control from 150 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. But here's what really sets it apart: the innovative self-basting lid design. This clever feature traps and recirculates moisture, ensuring your dishes remain succulent and flavorful without constant attention. Just imagine serving perfectly moist turkey that has your guests raving about your cooking skills. Now, let's address a couple of considerations. The substantial size means you'll need dedicated storage space, and yes, the exterior does heat up during operation, requiring careful handling. But these minor drawbacks are easily overshadowed by its outstanding performance and convenience features, particularly its ability to maintain consistent temperatures throughout cooking. Some users have questions about voltage compatibility in different regions, but this is easily addressed with proper adapters when needed. When you consider the price point, which comes in lower than many competitors, the value proposition becomes even more attractive, especially given its robust feature set and generous capacity. For home cooks seeking to expand their culinary capabilities, the AROMA 22-quart roaster oven delivers impressive results. Its thoughtful combination of practical features, reliable performance, and user-friendly design makes it an excellent choice for anyone who loves entertaining or needs extra cooking capacity. Whether you're hosting holiday celebrations or preparing weekly family meals, this versatile appliance proves its worth time and time again. Need a versatile cooking solution that won't take up your entire kitchen? The Sunvivi 20-quart electric roaster might be exactly what you're looking for. This compact powerhouse proves that good things come in smaller packages, offering all the functionality of larger models while saving precious counter space. Its robust stainless steel construction ensures durability, and the intuitive control panel makes operation a breeze, even for those who prefer simplicity in their kitchen gadgets. What really makes this model shine is its impressive 1450-watt heating element, matching the power of its larger counterparts. The thoughtfully designed self-basting lid creates a perfect moisture circulation system, infusing your dishes with enhanced flavors and ensuring consistently delicious results. From slow-cooked masterpieces to perfectly roasted poultry, the adjustable temperature range of 150 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit puts you in complete control of your culinary creations. Plus, the rapid heating and defrosting capabilities can turn your frozen ingredients into a delectable meal in record time. While some users have mentioned that the unit might feel slightly lightweight when handling substantial items like large turkeys, Sunvivi's exceptional customer support team is always ready to address any concerns. A standout safety feature that sets this model apart is its innovative cool touch handle design and anti-scald protection, providing peace of mind during busy cooking sessions. Cleanup is a dream with the removable cooking insert, and using liner bags at lower temperatures helps prevent stubborn food residue. This thoughtful design means less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your culinary creations with family and friends. Perhaps most impressive is how this roaster often outperforms traditional ovens in cooking speed. Though some users have noted slight variations in cooking evenness with larger items, the majority praise its ability to deliver consistently crisp and well-cooked meals. Its more compact size makes it particularly well-suited for intimate gatherings and regular family meals. For home chefs seeking to streamline their cooking process without sacrificing quality, the Sunvivi 20-quart electric roaster represents an excellent investment. Its winning combination of compact efficiency, versatile functionality, and user-friendly features makes it a valuable addition to any kitchen, especially during those busy holiday seasons. Tired of running out of oven space during big family gatherings? The Kiss the Water Store 28-quart electric roaster oven could be the solution you've been searching for. With its exceptional capacity, surpassing many competitors in the market, this roaster can accommodate even the largest holiday turkeys, while leaving your conventional oven free for side dishes and desserts. What makes this roaster particularly appealing is its remarkable temperature flexibility. The precise controls let you set anywhere from 150 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for everything from slow-cooking tender pot roasts to quickly baking a tray of dinner rolls. Forgot to thaw your meat? No problem. The convenient defrost setting turns potential dinner disasters into culinary victories. One feature that busy hosts will particularly appreciate is the warming function, ensuring your perfectly cooked dishes stay at an ideal serving temperature until everyone's ready to eat. Convenience extends to the cleanup process too. The thoughtfully designed stainless steel construction, paired with a removable roasting pan, means you won't spend hours scrubbing after the meal. The innovative self-basting lid works tirelessly to maintain moisture levels, ensuring your meat stays succulent and flavorful without constant monitoring. A real blessing during hectic entertaining sessions. However, it's worth noting that some users have experienced minor steam escaping from the lid, which might affect cooking duration. While the roaster excels at producing moist, tender meats, achieving that picture-perfect, crispy skin might require some extra attention. A few customers have also expressed concerns about the thickness of the metal construction, suggesting potential durability, concerns with extensive use. Despite these minor drawbacks, this roaster oven oven proves itself as an invaluable kitchen companion. Its superior capacity, combined with user-friendly features, makes it particularly well-suited for those who frequently host large gatherings. The combination of versatile cooking options, convenient features, and impressive size positions this appliance as a strong contender in the roaster oven market. Whether you're preparing a holiday feast or cooking for a weekly family dinner, this roaster consistently delivers satisfying results, while making the entire process more manageable.